warehouse is about 150,000 square feet, which is pretty big. A few football fields, I would assume.
Probably during our peak season, we're able to do 2,500 to 3,500 orders per day out of the small item warehouse.
And that's equivalent to, I'd say, about 3 45-foot trailers. So, a lot of product. Yeah.
You know, we have 1 million parts in stock at all times. One of the things that a lot of our competitors don't have is parts availability for all of our machines. You know, and it just keeps expanding. So as far as the small item warehouse, we have what we call pickers, and basically they grab a bunch of orders and they'll go out and they'll go into racks and they'll pick items out of specific locations. Those items go into a bin with the orders. The orders go on the conveyor. At that point, it'll go down to a packing station and the packers will actually pack the item.
The Missouri plant is, the engine, it's the driving force, the backbone of the company doing the majority of the business. We are running constantly to help customers. I really strive to get, the customers satisfied and make sure the rest of the team is getting those results that are needed to provide that great customer service.
You know, everything we do here is for the customer. We organize things a certain way so we're efficient with our picking and packing. We try and make sure we get everything out same day. I find it fun to be able to pick and pack orders and, take the time to help the customer. I think that's what I thrive on.
One of the hidden gems about Grizzly in general is just how hardworking everybody is, including the folks in the warehouse. I don't think enough could be said about their dedication to not only being present, working hard, but also getting their work correct. If we do our jobs, we do it well, we do it quickly, and it results in our customers being satisfied and or coming back for more product, I believe that that's success. And that's what we measure it by.